Do you know how investors decide where to put millions of dollars? It's not guesswork, it's called financial modeling. Today I will show you how professionals build it step by step in simplest way. Financial modeling is a simple creating mathematical model of business in tools like Microsoft Excel. In simple words, it's a way to predict future income, expenses and profit. Example, if you run a startup, financial modeling tell you will you make profit, how much cash you have to need, is your business worth investing in. Before opening Excel, professionals study the business deeply. What does the company sell? How does it earn money? What are the main costs? Example, if it's a food business, revenue is equal to number of customers into price, cost is equal to ingredients plus rent plus salary. This step is called business understanding. Without this, your model will fail. Now collect past data, last 2 or 3 years, revenue, expense, profit, growth rate. This data becomes your base. Professional always say past data tell the story, future data build the predictions. This is the heart of financial modeling. You make assumptions like sales growth 10 to 15%, extra cost increase, inflation, market demand. Example, if you grow 10% last year, you may assume 12% next year. Important, good assumption is equal to strong model, bad assumption is equal to wrong result. Now build 3 main statements. First, income statement, show profit or loss, revenue, expenses, net profit. Second, cash flow statement, show actual cash movement, money coming, money out, going out. Third, balance sheet, show company positions, assets and liabilities. These three are connected. Professional links them carefully. Now use your assumptions to predict next 3 to 5 years. Future revenue, future cost, future profit. This is where investors focus most. Now calculate what is the business worth. Common method DCF, discounted cash flow. Comparables, simple idea. Future money is worth less today, so we adjust. Professional test different scenarios. What if sales stop? What if cost increase? This help manage risk. Financial modeling is not just number, it's a language of business decision. If you master the skills, you can think like an investor, act like a CEO and build like a pro. Keep model simple, not complicated. Always check formulas, use clean formatting, never hard code numbers, and subscribe this channel for such more videos. And